Sparky Sparks here. I have more new hair. Oh my goodness. This is from wigs.com and the style is made by Belle Tress. This is a gorgeous box, I'm telling you. So if you're thinking about Christmas already or holiday gifts and your lady or guy needs some hair, this would be a really good choice, I think. Hint, hint, wish list. So this is Lauren in Pumpkin Pie Spice. The wrapping is just exquisite. Black box, looks like a bow. Gorgeous. Let's get into it. So this is a maker. The maker is Belle Tress, and the color is Pumpkin Pie Spice. Already we can see beautiful, beautiful red tones. So let's take her out. Oftentimes they come with this hairnet to collect all the hair. This is gorgeous. My goodness. We're going to start on the inside, and we're going to take off this little tag first. This is so exciting. I don't think I've worn this color in Belle Tress yet, so it's just a gorgeous color. Let's start on the inside. This is a hand-tied cap. So all of the hair is hand-tied. It's going to lie really naturally. This is all integrated. So if you don't have your own hair, this would be, I think, quite soft against your scalp. I have hair, so I'm wearing a hairnet. In the front, we've got all this free parting space. So this is all, you can part it here, 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 no designated part. And the lace goes all the way to the ear tab. So that's gonna give a really natural look all the way along the side. Let's put her on and I can show you. Also in the back, we've got adjusters, like bra strap adjusters here. So if you find that she's too big, you can tighten her down. Let's go ahead and put her on. We're gonna make sure the tag is in the back, and we're gonna put her right here and try to land our forehead somewhere in here. Already, my goodness. Now this, you've seen this. This is just right out of the box. Look, without it doing anything. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Look at this. I haven't taken her out until just now, so you're doing this with me. Let's look at the hairline. So this is that ear tab that goes all the way here. So if you wanted to wear her pulled back, you could. Ear tucks, super easy. The cap is lying right at my ears, so it's perfect. Here's this side. Here's the top. Let's see if we can part her here. Look, it looks like scalp, right? Just gorgeous. Belle Tress. And this is Lauren. Let's pull her back here. Now I like to adjust my wig space from my brow bone to the hairline to be about 4 fingers. And that's about it. So I'll kind of play with this. If I feel it's too big, where my hairline really is, I will adjust it down. And I've got my comb just in case, but I'm thinking we don't even need to comb her, to be honest. Let's look at the back. So pretty, right? Right out of the box. Just gorgeous. Well, I thought I was wearing a different piece of hair this evening, but now it looks like this is it. This is Lauren. So we often talk about throw on and go. This is throw on and go. Look, this is get out of the box and go. My goodness, just gorgeous. Even the face doesn't flop too much this way, right? I could wear her just like this, put her behind my ear. I'd love to know your thoughts. Look at the color. I'm in front of a big window. It's afternoon lighting. Iced pumpkin spice. I think a new favorite color for me. We could wear her in a ponytail, kind of half up, half down if we wanted to for the holiday. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous, super soft. These fibers, because it is hand tied, are gonna react and move just like natural hair. Love, love, my goodness, Belle Tress. So pretty. Look at this. I'll step back a little bit. I like to say that if you are a new wig wearer and you have, when we first start wearing wigs, we're all up in here like this, looking to see, can we see the hairline? Is somebody looking at the hairline? very good friend of mine told me once, if someone's this close, and let's see, I am this far from the camera. If somebody's this close to you, they're not thinking about your hairline. Trust me, it's true. So check this out. I'm just running my fingers through the hair. So pretty. Let's look at the back again. Very swingy. Love it. Belle Tress, iced pumpkin spice, and the style is called Lauren. Cheers.